Mm. Yeah. Mm. 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 Something changed along the way. People hear but don't obey. Words grow sharp, respect grows thin. Noise grows loud deep within. Children shouting, elders ignored. Homes divided, hearts at war. Everybody wants a voice, but few still honor wisdom's choice. We gained expression, but lost restraint. Now many hearts no longer wait. Manners matter, yes they do. How you speak reveals the you. Respect is more than words we say. It shapes the world we build each day. Manners matter, don't forget. Broken speech brings deep regret. If we lose respect and grace, what becomes of the human race? Teachers tired, parents worn. Children raised by screens at dawn. Quick to answer, slow to hear. Pride grows louder every year. Workplace tension, anger flies. Truth gets buried under pride. Everybody wants their way, but discipline keeps life in place. Freedom without wisdom can destroy a generation. Manners matter, yes they do. How you treat others comes back to you. Respect is not old-fashioned shame. It is dignity with a human name. Manners matter. But many hearts have grown blind. Faith is more than words we claim. It shows in conduct every day. The strong are gentle, not severe. True wisdom listens before it speaks. Character is quietly shown by how we treat the weak alone. What are children learning now? Who will teach them respect somehow? What we model, they become. The future starts inside the home. Slow it down, return again to honor, truth, restrain, amen. Not by fear, not by force, but by wisdom as our source. Manners matter, now we see. Respect rebuilds humanity. Homes and nations rise or fall on how we choose to treat us all. Manners matter, let it start with disciplined minds and caring hearts. One small